How to fix Gmail not receiving email issues. So if your Gmail is not receiving your emails, then to fix that, what you can do is you need to first open up your Gmail. So open up your Gmail and make sure to sign into your account in which you are facing the problem. So open up your Gmail, and if you're not receiving the emails, then the first thing that you can do is just simply go ahead and select more from the action menu. So here you will have more option on the left. Click on more and go to the spam folder. And under your spam folder, you will see your expected emails in the spam folder or not, because sometimes emails are stuck in the spam folder that doesn't show in the inbox. So make sure to check out this option. And then the next thing is that you have to do is check out the storage for your Google account. So to do check that, what you can do is simply go ahead and click on the apps icon, and then you need to simply go for Drive. And under your Drive, here you will have storage option. You can simply click on Get More Storage, and here you can scroll down, and here you can scroll upwards, and then here you will have Get More Storage. Click on that, and under that you may have Free Up Account Storage. Click on Free Up Account Storage, and then you will have large files in which you will have the more storage or the more chunk. So click on Review, and from here you can simply select all of these files and click on Delete, which is on the upper right, and then click on this box and click on Permanently Delete. And once you've deleted, now you can again do that and click on Delete. And once you've deleted, now you have freed up your space, and now you can go back to your Gmail and then refresh your page. Once you've refreshed, here under storage, you can see that you have refreshed your page and you have deleted all of that. Or you can also go for your email, and then if you have some unnecessary emails, then you can also delete that unnecessary email, and then you can free up your space. And once you're freed up, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go back to your Gmail, and here you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right, and go and click on See All Settings. And once you're here on settings, just go ahead and change the tab to Filters and Blocked Addresses. And here you will be having all of the filters. So if you have any filters here, you can simply delete that filter. So for here I don't have any filters, but you might have a multiple filters. So if you have that, simply go ahead and delete all of your filters one by one on your Google account. And once you're done with the deleting process, you just need to go for forwarding. And if you click over here, then you need to make sure that you don't have a forwarding email. So if you have any forwarding email here, then you just need to delete your forwarding address. So I have not added any forwarding address, but if you have added and if you have any forwarding address or emails, then you just need to click on Disable Forwarding. And once you've disabled, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you will fix Gmail not receiving email issues. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.